There we go. Here we go. Back at Windsor Chopper. There we go. And the bike's in there. Halfway done now. Take a look. I'll show you the compensator. The new one. There's the guy doing all the work. Look at that. That's it. There's the tranny and the clutch.
What's going on, man? Your old compensator's right there.
Yeah.
It was pretty beat up.
Yeah? Wow. Something was banging. That's the compensator. Oh, that's the compensator right there. There's the owner again. Oh, look at the old one. Oh, okay. Supposed to be done later on today, so I'll be back. Pick up the bike. Until then, see y'all later. Okay, well, bike's not the cleanest, but it's wiped down quite a bit and been washed. So I'm going to put it outside. I'm going to start it up and have a listen to the compensator not making noise. Okay. Oh yeah, by the way, July 30th, 2020. It's looking better than it did, but still got to do the rims. That's going to take a while. But anyways, okay. Something knocking a little bit, but it's not on this side. Let's see if I can't figure it out. Yeah, I can even hear it from here. And grab my stethoscope. That's it. interesting. Very interesting. It's the weirdest thing. Compensator's fixed. That part's nice and quiet. Oh, let's try something. Well, and one last thing.
I only had a quarter of one. Definitely forget oh, the girls are over.
Okay, one last time. I don't know if that's it or not, but what the hell. It's almost like something's loose. It's like a rattle. I can't lock in on where it's coming from. Well, we'll go for a ride tomorrow, see if it quiets down. See if it quiets down when I'm on the highway. When I get back, it's well lubed. So, yeah, well, maybe we'll bring it in now. Okay, let's see. It's not fucking recording. Oh, yes it is. Yeah. Okay. Hell, that'll do it. That's got me bugged. Donate the lifters, we did them. So, I'll give up for now anyways. I'm tired. Oh well. I'll throw one more video up tomorrow sometime. Do an update. I might run over to Windsor Chopper and just let Mechanic Pat have a quick listen to. But for the most part, that's it for now. So, hey there and see ya.